and we about to run it up. I need about 270 per day, Saturday and Sunday.
All I see is blessings, got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life, it's only lessons. They just making room for what I'm on now. I don't got a clue, but I know the one who does know how.
We can do that. Easy, right? Let's get it. You already know what to do if you haven't already. Let's run it up. We making money out here. Grocery shopping. So like, subscribe, and let's get it.
I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way. Our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way.
What up, fam? I don't know what time I said I started, right? Or was starting to wait for a batch, but I'm gonna let you guys know the time lapse right now. So I got my first batch around 7:45, right? Took me about an hour to do it. It's a triple. I finished around 8:30 something, almost 8:40, and I'm still delivering right now. It's a 61, it's a triple, and that's cool. I'm gonna do it, it's 61 bucks. I'm gonna finish it in total in about an hour and 20 minutes. So 61 bucks in an hour, 20 minutes. We're gonna be back and swipe another one. Yeah, and we're gonna swipe another one. So I'll see y'all in a second. Let's get it. Let's get it. Straight. I'm only at 2:46 and it's 3:49 p.m. right now. It's rough out here because it's pouring rain. Like, I don't know what happened. The sunrise was so beautiful. Now look at it. It's pouring rain in. Jeez. Honestly, there's been a couple of orders that I could have just took and hit the goal for today, but I'm not in the zone right now. I'm not in the mood to do it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to wrap it up. But I wanted to say one thing before I go, man. Everybody out here doing this, stop making excuses, man. All right? Like, stop making excuses. People are gonna find something to complain about always, man. We're grocery shopping. We get paid to grocery shop right now, like for this at least. We're getting money to just go into a grocery store and look for people's stuff, put it in the cart, pay for it with their money, and just deliver it to them. Like, it really can't get any easier than that, really, man. This is my message for this video, man. Stop complaining, for real. And if you don't like it, if you don't like Instacart, if you don't like what it is, if it ain't it for you, just wrap it up and find something else to do. You know what I'm saying? Like, I wouldn't just sit there and let myself suffer. So if you suffering, wrap it up, man. But stop complaining. Hey, for real. Everybody complaining. Like, Instacart ain't tipping the customer. Listen, well, find something else. There's tons of stuff out there. DoorDash, Uber Eats, right? Uber, whatever. If you're gonna keep complaining, you might as well get a job and complain there. But at least there you get paid hourly, right? So get a job if this ain't it for you, man. I'm recommending certain phones and stuff like that. People are like, yo, so pay that much? Yo, I spent over $4,000 trying new phones. I have probably what, $2,900, maybe $3,000 worth of mint condition phones at my house right now that I don't even use, that I need to like sell or something. I got almost, probably $3,000 worth of phones right at my house right now. It's ridiculous. And people be complaining about $1,000 on a phone. I spent over $4,000 testing out phones alone. And people out here complaining about $1,000. Y'all head frame ain't right. Your head frame ain't right, man. Come on. Like, get out there and go get it, man. I'm telling you, nothing comes to the ones that sit there and complain. It comes to the ones that say, look, stop saying what you can't do and start saying, how can you do it? It's peace and love, and we will hit 2,000 this week. Just watch tomorrow. We're going to hit it. I'm out.